Hello and welcome back. It's been a while and a lot of things have changed in the van. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I've got this double burner and we're going to get something cooking. So let's go. Rice usually takes a bit longer to cook than the rest of the meal, so we'll just get it started now. Give it a head start. Just get chopping. Usually I would cook with this here, like a bit further over here, so all the exhaust fumes can go out there. But because I'll be chopping, I need to use this space here, so I've just cracked the door a bit, so that should be perfect. Rice cooked way quicker than I thought, so I'm just going to turn that off. I'd say that's just about simmered enough to add the lentils. Just turn the heat up. Add some curry powder and stock. While that cooks away, let's go outside and adventure. It's a lovely little park, and like all the way to the extreme left there, about 5 minutes up the road, is where I did my second video, or was it first video? The stealth camping by a river. So it's a familiar area. Behind me here, right here, is a soccer goal. I used to come down here like every morning and just play with the soccer ball, so maybe I should have a shoot for old time's sakes. For the final product here, how absolutely amazing does that look? It's really, really hot, so that's why I'm wearing the cooking glove, but let's dig in. It's the perfect amount of garlic and onion. And I think I actually prefer it when the garlic's a bit chunkier, because you get these really, really powerful mouthfuls of it. It's like, whoa. Simple and delicious. Like, what more could you want? Well, that's just about all for this video. Bit of a short one, but I plan on doing some overnight camping once I stand the other side of the wall of my van and the bed. Then it dries, airs out, and I put it back in. Should be ready for a nice little stealther. So yeah, until next time guys, we'll see you later.